Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate you the operating of Siemens warmer, and we are also calling it as dry bath incubator for 15 ml Falcon tubes. As you can see, the holes are made according to the Falcon tubes, which are 15 ml in capacity, and as you can see it on the block, the rear two rows the rear two rows of the holes are made vertically straight, and it has got an immersion right up to 9 ml, whereas the front 6 holes are made in an inclined pattern. As you can see it over here, it has got an inclination of 30 degree. Now the power cord is attached on the right hand side of instrument at the rear end, whereas the on off key is provided on the left hand side of the instrument. Now we are going to start the instrument. Upon starting, as you can see, there are two parameters for the instrument. One is the time, another is the temperature. The top line of the display shows set parameters, and the bottom line of the display shows the actual parameters. As you can see, we have set a temperature of 37 degree right now, and the actual temperature here is 27 degree. This will soon gradually increase and get settled down at 37 degree centigrade. Whereas if you see on the left hand side in the time column, then you will notice that we have set a timer of 10 minutes, but we haven't started it yet, so that the actual parameter is showing you stop sign over here. Now in case if you want to edit the time or the temperature, here I would like to tell you about both the parameters are working separately from each other. The time is neither dependent on the temperature nor the temperature is dependent on the time. Both of them are working independently of each other. Now I will show you how this instrument is set. By pressing the select key once, a cursor will appear on the time. In case if you want to increase or decrease this time, which is in hours and minute, right now the time is set at 10 minutes. By pressing up